in terms of performance, because in the past, toward the beginning of the term, there were students who were sending away because of the school fees, and because they could not be able to pay the school fees, they were waiting at home until the time for the exams toward the end of the term. And therefore, there was a lot of curriculum that used to be covered when students were away. And now that the students will be most of the time, we are sure that the performance in our schools in the Kipipiri, equally here at Mahedu, we are sure that the performance will be able to go up because students will be in school throughout the term. We really appreciate this particular program, and we hope that it shall be able to be successful, and it shall be able to go even to the other term that will be coming. Otherwise, we are very happy with our MP, and we appreciate her because of that initiative.
Thank you. Thank you. Wanafunzi, kama vile mmesikia mwalimu amesema program ilikuwa covered while others are away. Now we want the program to continue where we are all in school. Sawa sawa. In summary, tunaleta chakula, alafu mwalimu anapata shida sana na walimu wa BOM kwa sababu pesa inakuwa haitoshi na capitation hailipi BOM. So sisi tutakuwa tunalipia mwalimu wake wa BOM. Sio ni mzuri? So that we make sure you have enough teachers. Yule mpishi mwenye anapika hii chakula pia sisi tutakuwa tunamlipa. Kwa hivyo mwalimu kazi yake ni kununua nyanya, na nyinyi mkipanda nyanya pale mnachuna tu. Mnapanda kitunguu pale mnachuna tu. Mnapanda cabbage, si agriculture classroom iko hapa. Sasa muanze kulima ndio msitumie pesa mingi kwa vitu inaweza kuwa hapa kwetu. Mwalimu ananunua kuni peke yake. Sawa sawa. So msome na bidii. We are looking forward to see very good results starting this year, Kipipiri constituency. Sawa sawa. Kipipiri oye. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.